stay to the end of the video to see some great strap suggestions for this watch. The Geckota S-01 Vintage Diver is a diving timepiece created with quintessential tool watch DNA and luxury styling at its core. This modern diver piece is just that, but with vintage touches of understated vintage design cues throughout. The S-01 is a Geckota timepiece with modern characteristics and features in abundance. The watch's 41mm case is machined to create an effortless modern look with sharp striking angles visible at both 3 and 9 o'clock positions. This aggressive look is assisted further with both brushed and polished finishing throughout. Slight, subtle vintage additions can be found on the S-01, such as the use of red on the dial and bezel and a domed caseback. The S-01 is a highly distinct dial, with extreme polished applied indices complete with strong superluminova infill. These indices sit on a dial finished with a deeply sunburst effect that welcomes shifts in the light. This complementary contrast ensures maximum legible readability. One of many vital features of diving watches is their ability to maintain optimal performance at a range of depths. The S-01 is no different, with a water resistance rating of 300 meters. The S-01 Diver is powered by the ever popular ETA 2824-2 automatic movement, which comes with a reassuring power reserve of 38 hours. Currently available in a range of popular dial colours, fitted on NATOs, leather and metal straps, take a look at our favourite combos. As with all Geckota watches, the S-01 has been created in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity and meticulous quality control checks. Low numbers of each watch per version will be made in each production run, and every single watch is individually numbered, meaning that all Geckota watches are truly limited edition models. Thanks for watching our quick look at the S-01 Vintage Diver. Let us know your thoughts on the watch in the comments below, and if you do own the watch, we'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.